What if you did everything right? You signed up for Marketplace insurance, you got coverage for your whole family, you paid your monthly premiums, but when you went to file your taxes, you end up on. If that sounds like you and nobody told you that this could happen, then stay with me. Welcome back to Whatever Wednesdays, where I answer real tax questions from real taxpayers without judgment. Today's question is, what if I got Marketplace insurance, but now I owe in taxes? You're not the only one, and you're not crazy for being confused. Let's talk about why this happens. So Marketplace insurance is not like your employer insurance. When you apply for Marketplace insurance, you put an estimate of your income for the year. Based on that estimate, the government gives you a premium tax credit, basically helping you pay your insurance premium every month. So here's the key word, you all. Your income is an estimate for that year. So let's say your actual income end up being more than what you told them that it was going to be. You may have received more credit than you actually qualified for. And when you file your tax return, your income get reconciled, and that's where you end up with a surprise tax bill. What Form 1095A really means. So when you apply for Marketplace insurance, at tax time, you will receive Form 1095A. That form reports what your monthly premiums were, how much advance credit you received, and what you actually qualify for. So when we prepare your tax returns, we have to complete Form 8962, which reconcile those numbers. If you receive too much of an advance credit, you pay the difference. It's not a penalty, you all. It's a true-up number. However, it does feel like a penalty. Let's talk about some common situations that trigger this to happen. So if you gave an estimate of $35,000 for your annual income, but you end up earning $50,000 in income, that's going to trigger it. You got married. You started a side business. Your business had a really good year. You stop updating your Marketplace insurance. Whenever your income increases, you need to update your Marketplace insurance so that those monthly premiums can be adjusted. The more you make, you all, the less you qualify for. If your income increases and you don't update it with the Marketplace, the credit does not automatically adjust. That's how people end up owing. Now let's talk about what not to do if this happened to you. Don't ignore this form. Don't leave it off your return. Don't blame your tax preparer. And do not avoid filing your tax return. If you do not include Form 1095A on your return, then your return will be rejected. This must be reconciled. Is there a cap on repayment? Now, most people don't know this, but at some income levels, there may be a cap on your repayment. Lower income households, some of them may not have to repay the full amount. But once your income crosses a certain threshold, the full credit difference can become due. This is why planning matters throughout the tax year and not just at tax time. If you're a self-employed or a creator, this is really important because your income can fluctuate. You can have one good viral month, you can have one big contract, one strong quarter, and suddenly your annual income jumps and there's a gap, but your Marketplace income does not automatically change because you do not go and update it. That gap creates a tax bill. Revenue without tax planning creates surprises. What should you do now? If you owe because of Marketplace insurance, review your actual income against your estimated income. Update your Marketplace insurance immediately for the current year. Consider adjusting your withholdings or your estimated payments, and build tax planning into your business strategy. This isn't about fear, it's about aligning your income with your benefits. Marketplace credit, self-employment tax, and quarterly tax payments, they all connect. When you understand the system, then you can control the outcome. That's what tax planning is for. If you ever thought, what if I had Marketplace insurance and now I owe, then you're not alone. You're not in trouble. Drop your what if tax questions below or send them to KeishaWhatIf@gmail.com. And one Wednesday, your question may be next.